Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. Can't even unlock your device now. What can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, turn off your device. After it turns off completely, hold down power key plus volume down for a couple of seconds like this. Then the menu appears, and in this secret menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option reboot to bootloader. Then you will boot to the bootloader mode, obviously, and in this mode, just like in the previous, you use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option boot to recovery mode. Then like our phone appears on our screen, but with the exclamation mark inside of it, and when you see it, just hold down power key and press volume up once, and the following menu appears. Here in this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset. Yes, delete all user data. After you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.